Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I'm a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm demonstrating how to make egg-free oatmeal cookies. These cookies are full of flavor, and instead of eggs, they use a mashed banana to keep them moist and give the cookies structure. So let's get started. You need 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup old-fashioned oats. Don't use instant oatmeal. This can lead to a gummy cookie. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Combine dry ingredients in a bowl and whisk together until well distributed. Set this bowl aside for later. Place 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter into a mixing bowl. Mix for 1 minute on medium speed. Add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to the mixing bowl. Mix together until light and fluffy. This will take approximately 2 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of a mashed banana to the mixing bowl. Stir together until it's well mixed. I'm using the banana as a replacement where I would normally add an egg. Add the dry ingredients we mixed together earlier to the bowl and stir until everything is fully combined with no dry spots left. Now is the time to mix in any extras you like. I'm adding 1/2 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of toasted walnuts for extra texture and flavor. Put the cookie dough in the fridge for about an hour. This helps the flavors blend and keeps the cookies from spreading too much while they bake. Line 2 baking pans with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Scoop approximately 1 1/2 tablespoons of cookie dough and place on the baking pans, making sure you leave about 2 inches of space between the cookies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes until the cookies are slightly risen and lightly golden. After baking, allow cookies to cool for 10 minutes on the baking pans. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.